nobody gonna travel second class.
I can't. I don't have music and. I guess I can have both. Whoa! Whoa! Yo, Orange, get off! On my supersonic rocket ship. Oh yeah, you imbecile! Yo, Green, you're so cooked. Nobody. Yeah, he can climb up those. He can climb up the. Oh sh. Yo, move! Yeah. Hey, yellow. Close the damn door. Close it. Yo, I'm so fast. Yo, don't leave me here, Michael. Whew. Yo, where's my bro? Where's my broski? Oh, broski, you're right there, bro. Damn me up, man. Ah! Ah! Yo! La. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man. Okay, come on, quick. Ah! Yo, electric, bro. We good. We good? Ow. Yo, wait for me, bro. Whoa! Whoa! Habibi, I see you. Guys, come here. Hello, Mario. Yo, do not open that. Do not open that. No! Get your ass in here, dumbass. Oh, let me take you on a little trip. Yo, have you ever experienced death? Yo, get off me, man. Michael! Don't leave me here, Michael! Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! No! Let me out! Yay! All I go! Sorry, autism, bro. Fucking taking over at this point. All I know. All I know was the Jamai. All I Fuego! I fucking killed him! Yeah, he's stuck! Oni-chan! Shaquille O'Neal! You! All I know. All I know. I'm a minor. I'm a minor. I'm a minor. Yo, why is there a British kid, bro? Why is there a British kid? Yo, there's a little British kid. You're the pig, you fat ass. Aww. So cute. So cute. Yeah, you have to stay out there, buddy. You have to stay out there. Bowl of water. It's a bowl of water. That's my impression of a British kid. Yo, Michael, don't leave me here, Michael. Oh, thank you. Get your ass out there, dumbass. What you doing? What you doing? You gonna get us killed, you idiot. You could have gotten us killed, fucking idiot. My fossil processor at 6'7". Get in. Thank you, thank you. Bowl of water. Ow. Yeah, come on. Muy fácil. Ah! It's Diddy! It's Diddy! It's Diddy! Yo, red is Diddy, bro. Red? Muy fácil, professora. 6'7". Michael! Michael! Oh! Hey, White! 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 Here we go, White! I'm on your head! Guys, I swear to God, I just saw the monster behind us. No! Yo, I was so close. No, it got me. It's not going after you. Get in. Baby, yo, you good, bro? All I know. Baby, I was gonna say bottle of water, but I died. Wait, how do I say what, bros? Pickle? Pickle? Ah, 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 ah! Yo, you fucking racist bitch. Ah! Guys, open the door for them. I could sit here all day. Yeah, I know there's a secret room. Fucking hell. Do not go out yet. Garage. Close that shit. Close that shit. Fucking hell. Yo. Yo, person in the pipe. Wait for me. I'm so close. Hold on, I'm coming. Shit. Hold on, bro. I'm trying. Yeah, I can see you. I have my flashlight on. Yo, how do you do that? Nah, we should be fine, right? Wait, there's a monster over there? I'm trying. I'm trying! Calm down! Ooh! Hello. Ah! I'm floating! I'm floating! Guys! Oh, wow! Move! Move! How do I look, guy? Oh, I can't. Hey, partners. Today we are gonna be wrangling the west side of Oogly Boogly. Hold on, I gotta stop this recording. Hold on.